subscribe, and hit the bell icon. The Indian Peacock. Hi everybody, my name is Leo. I am a junior ranger, and this is my puppy. Hero, leave that bird alone. Be nice, Hero. You're much bigger than that bird. Hey, look, the bird dropped a feather. Feathers are important because they help birds fly, keep them warm, and hide them from predators. You found another feather, Hero. It must be from another bird. Look, it has a different color. Let's see if we can find more feathers. What is it, Hero? You found another feather? Wow, is that a feather? It looks so different from the other feathers. It's so big and it's so colorful. What was that? Wow, it's a big and beautiful bird. I wonder what kind of bird this is. You know what we should do? Let's take a photo and send it to my sister Katie. She is also a junior ranger. Wow, look at those feathers. Hi, Katie. Did you find anything?
Hi, Leo. So, the bird you found it's an Indian peacock, also known as a blue peacock.
Well, it definitely is blue, and it's called an Indian peacock because it comes from India?
That's right. It's usually found in the rainforests of India and Sri Lanka. Peacocks eat seeds, fruits, insects, and even small animals like lizards and snakes.
What else did you find out, Katie?
Actually, a peacock is a male, like the one you found, and a female is called a peahen. The peacocks, or males, are more colorful and have bigger tail feathers. The peahens, or females, have more dull-looking colors. Both the male and female are called a peafowl.
So it's an Indian peafowl.
Correct. Not all peafowls are blue, though. Some are born with white feathers. And peafowls are one of the largest flying birds in the world.
Such an interesting bird. I don't think it belongs in our garden. We should bring the peacock back to its friends. Come and join us.
That's a great idea, Leo. See you downstairs.
Come on, everybody. Join me in this party. 1, 2, here we go. For lots of fun and lots to learn. Come on, everybody. Join me in this party. 1, 2, it's your turn. For lots of fun and lots to learn. 1, 2, off we go. For lots of fun and lots to learn. With the Jeep, we should get there in no time.
What is it, Hero? Leo, it looks like some big cats are following us.
They could be jungle cats, Katie.
It says jungle cats are one of the peacock's predators. This means jungle cats hunt peacocks for food.
Don't worry, Katie. We're safe in the Jeep. Oh, no! It looks like we have a flat tire.
Can we change it?
There's no time. Those jungle cats are too close. Quick, let's start walking. There are too many. The peacock scared the jungle cats away by making itself look big.
Good work, Peacock. Your feathers are really useful.
We did it! We found a group of peahens.
Hooray!
peacock in our garden.
We learned that peacocks are male peafowls. They have big tail feathers to impress the females, which are called peahens.
So we went to the rainforest and found a group of peahens for the peacock.
Good job, children. You did it. You are amazing wildlife rangers.
The Australian pelican. Hi, everybody. My name is Leo. I am a junior ranger, and this is my puppy, Hero. You want to play with this ball, Hero? Okay, you stand over there, and I'll throw it. Then you try to catch it. Okay, Hero, are you ready? Catch! Well done, Hero. Let's do that again. Here I go. Oops, that was too high. It must be behind the bushes. Hey, what a funny-looking bird. It has such a large beak. It caught the ball. It must fit a lot in that beak. I wonder what type of bird this is. You know what we should do? Let's take a photo and send it to my sister Katie. She is also a junior ranger. Now hold still, bird. Hi, Katie. Did you find any information?
You're just in time, Leo. Look, this bird is called an Australian pelican. They have the largest beak in the world. They also have huge wings when they are spread out.
So they live in Australia?
Correct. And in parts of Papua New Guinea and Indonesia. They like to live around water.
The pelican in our garden looks very small. Is it a baby?
It's not a baby, but it's still very young. It might still need its parents to feed it.
This young Australian pelican might be looking for its parents. Let's take it home.
I'm joining you, Leo. See you downstairs.
Come on, everybody. Join me in this party. 1, 2, here we go. For lots of fun and lots to learn. Come on, everybody. Join me in this party. 1, 2, it's your turn for lots of fun and lots to learn. 1, 2, off we go for lots of fun and lots to learn.
Look, it's so happy to see the water. Leo, looks like the pelican is in trouble. It's trying to fly, but it can't. Oh no!
The pelican looks really scared. Katie, I'll jump in and find out what's going on.
Great idea, Leo.
There's a fishing line wrapped around the pelican's foot, and the other end of it is stuck in the rocks.
Hero!
Hero has snapped the line. Great work, Hero.
Come on, Pelican. Let's get you out of here.
You're a hero, Hero.
Look, Leo. The pelican's foot got entangled in this. People really shouldn't be throwing things like that into the sea. A lot of sea creatures have been hurt by rubbish being thrown in the water.
You're right, Katie. I'm glad the pelican is all right. Now, let's take it home. Katie, look! There are 2 big pelicans coming towards us.
It's the young pelican's parents. They recognize it.
We did it! We found the pelican's home and its parents. Great work, everyone!
Yay!
an Australian pelican in our garden.
We learned that pelicans live near water.
So we took the young pelican home and reunited it with its parents.
Good job, children. You did it. You are amazing wildlife rangers.
The yellow-eyed penguin. What's the matter, Hero? Did your name sign fall off? Oh, hi, everybody. My name is Leo. I am a junior ranger. And this is my puppy, Hero. Oh, yeah, the name sign. Don't worry, Hero. I'm sure we can fix it. Hey, was that a penguin? I think it likes your doghouse, Hero. Shh! I think you're scaring it, Hero. Hi, penguin. Don't worry about Hero. He won't bite. Oh, you have yellow eyes. This must be a very special penguin. You know what we should do? Let's take a photo and send it to my sister Katie. She is also a junior ranger. Don't be shy, penguin. Hi, Katie. So what did you find?
Hi, Leo. This penguin is called a yellow-eyed penguin. It is one of the rarest penguins in the world. That means there aren't many of them left. Yellow-eyed penguins are only found in parts of New Zealand and some islands around it.
Wow, so we're very lucky to meet one. What do they eat?
Yellow-eyed penguins eat fish and squid, which they catch in the sea. However, their natural home is in the forests of New Zealand. So after a day out at sea, they return to their nests deep in the forests. Since yellow-eyed penguins are endangered, it's important that they have more babies. That's why this penguin should live in a place where there are other yellow-eyed penguins.
Which means we should take it home. Come and join us.
Great idea, Leo. See you downstairs.
Come on, everybody. Join me in this party. 1, 2, here we go. For lots of fun and lots to learn. Come on, everybody. Join me in this party. 1, 2, it's your turn. For lots of fun and lots to learn. 1, 2, off we go. For lots of fun and lots to learn.
Look, Leo, there are 2 yellow-eyed penguins there. They are making the loud calls Ranger Rocky told us about.
A yellow-eyed penguin is shouting too.
The people here call the yellow-eyed penguin hoi-ho, which means noise shouter.
So they call them hoi-hos. Hey, what's that? Oh no, there are 2 tourists over there, and they are taking photos.
The penguins are running away. They must have been frightened by the camera flashes. Leo, we have to stop them from coming too close to the penguins.
Hero, where are you going?
There he is. Maybe we can use sticks to build a fence. A fence could stop the tourists from coming closer to the penguins.
No, that would take much too long.
Yeah, you're right. I know. Do you have markers, Leo?
Yes, I do. Here.
Hero, I think we'll need one more stick.
Great idea, Katie. Let me help you.
There! That should do it.
And there's Hero, just in time. Yes, it's working.
Hooray!
Look, the penguins are coming back.
Look, there's another penguin. It must be our penguin's mate.
We did it. We found the yellow-eyed penguin's home. Great job, everybody. Hooray! found a yellow-eyed penguin in our garden.
We learned that the yellow-eyed penguin is rare and endangered, and that they live in the forest.
So we took it back to its home where it can be safe.
Good job, children. You did it. You are amazing wildlife rangers.
The Oriental pied hornbill. Hi, everybody. My name is Leo. I am a junior ranger, and this is my puppy, Hero. Hero, I'm picking apples for Mom so she can make an apple pie. Do you want to help me look for some ripe apples? Oh, here's a nice ripe apple. Ah, this one's good too. What is it, Hero? Is there something in that tree? Oh, it's just a lizard. That big bird is trying to catch the lizard. That bird has such a big beak. I wonder what kind of bird it is. You know what we should do? Let's take a photo and send it to my sister Katie. She is also a junior ranger. Look here, Birdie. Hi, Katie. So what did you find?
Hi, Leo. The bird you found is an Oriental pied hornbill. There are many types of hornbills in the world. They can look very different from one another, but all of them have long beaks that curve downwards.
Wow, look at all those big beaks! The hornbill in our garden tried to catch a lizard with its beak.
Besides lizards, Oriental pied hornbills eat animals like frogs, small birds, and large insects. They also feed on wild fruits. By the way, Oriental pied hornbills live in the rainforests of South and Southeast Asia.
We should take the Oriental pied hornbill back to the rainforest, or it might eat all the fruit in our garden. Come and join us.
That's a great idea, Leo. See you downstairs.
Come on, everybody, join me in this party. 1, 2, here we go, for lots of fun and lots to learn. Come on, everybody, join me in this party. 1, 2, it's your turn for lots of fun and lots to learn. 1, 2, off we go for lots of fun and lots to learn. Oh no! Why have all these trees been cut down?
These trees might have been cut down for wood. Wood is used to make furniture, paper, and many other things. Or maybe these trees have been cleared so houses can be built on the land. Sadly, many animals, including the Oriental pied hornbill, lose their homes when forests are destroyed.
That's sad. We'd better drive deeper into the forest. Hopefully the trees aren't cut there.
What's that sound? Leo, stop. Look, there are people cutting down trees.
Oh no, that tree's gonna fall on us.
Phew, that was close. Did you hear that, Leo?
I hear it too.
Hornbill, where are you going?
Sit tight, we're going after it.
Maybe it's trying to find its way home.
I can't see it anymore.
There it is.
There you are, Mr. Hornbill. Don't worry, we'll help you find your home.
Look, Leo. The hornbill is collecting some figs for its mate and chicks. I can hear the baby hornbills.
We did it! We found the Oriental pied hornbill's nest. Great job, everybody! Yay!
Hooray!
found an Oriental pied hornbill in our garden.
We learned that Oriental pied hornbills seal their nests with mud and that the male hornbill brings food to its mate and the chicks.
So we went to the rainforest and helped the hornbill find its nest.
Good job, children. You did it. You are amazing wildlife rangers.
The yellow-crested cockatoo. Hi, everybody. My name is Leo. I am a junior ranger. And this is my puppy, Hero. Hero, do you want to play musical statues? When the music plays, you dance. But when the music stops, you have to stop immediately. Okay, remember, when I stop the music, you have to freeze. Well done, Hero. Now it's my turn. You control the music. Hey, what's this? I win. Oh, it can talk. Did you hear that too? The bird said something. Maybe it's a parrot. Let's take a photo and send it to my sister Katie. She is also a junior ranger. Wow, look at the feathers on its head. Hi, Katie. So did you find anything?
Hi, Leo. The bird you found is indeed a parrot. And this one is called a yellow-crested cockatoo. It gets its name because of the yellow feathers, or crown, on its head. The cockatoo will raise those feathers on its head whenever it's surprised, or when it tries to impress others. The yellow-crested cockatoo originally comes from parts of Indonesia and East Timor. Nowadays, they live in a few more places. Some people have yellow-crested cockatoos as pets, but their real homes are tropical forests and open woodlands. There, they eat things like seeds, fruits, and flowers. Unfortunately, there aren't many of these birds left.
That's so sad. We should protect it by taking it back to its original home. Come and join us.
Great idea, Leo. See you downstairs, Leo.
Join me in this party. 1, 2, here we go. For lots of fun and lots to learn. Come on, everybody. Join me in this party. 1, 2, it's your turn. For lots of fun and lots to learn. 1, 2, off we go. For lots of fun and lots to learn. Let's leave the Jeep. It's easier to walk here.
Okay, Leo.
Okay, Leo. Hey, Cockatoo. Where are you going?
There are seeds and berries on the ground. I wonder who left them here. Look, it continues all the way. Leo, it's a trap.
Cockatoo, stop.
Oh, no.
Don't worry, Cockatoo. We'll get you out.
Leo, it's a Komodo dragon. Hero, Komodo dragons are very dangerous. Their bites are venomous, so stay away from him. Leo, can you open it? The Komodo dragon is approaching.
I can't. It's stuck.
Leo!
I can't open it, but I won't leave you, bird. Katie, hold on.
That was close.
Almost. There, you're free, bird. Free bird, free bird. Look, Katie, the cockatoo is dancing again.
Bye-bye, Cockatoo.
Bye-bye, cockatoo. Bye-bye, cockatoo. We did it. We found a home for the yellow-crested cockatoo. Good job, everybody. Hooray! We found a yellow-crested cockatoo in our garden.
We learned that yellow-crested cockatoos can talk and that they like to dance and move.
People like to keep them as pets, but cockatoos really belong in the wild. So we found a new home for the cockatoo.
Good job, children. You did it. You are amazing wildlife rangers.
Hola, exploradores juniors. Check out our Spanish channel by clicking the link in the description below. See you there.